This story is the Wait-for-Me Kitten. 3 little, fast little kittens ran down the lane looking for fun. And the littlest kitten tagged behind, crying, "Wait for me, wait for me." That's why he was called Wait-for-Me. Down the lane and up to the chicken house ran those 3 little, fast little, mischievous kittens. Skitter scatter, they raced along the rafters and jumped into the bouncy straw. Cluck cluck squawked the angry hens, flapping their wings. Here comes Wait-for-Me at last. And oh, here comes the great big rooster. "I'll teach you to scare my chicks and upset my hens," shouted the great big rooster, tossing his comb in the air. And he chased the littlest kitten out of the chicken house, peck, peck, peck. "I'm hungry," said one little kitten. "Let's see if Mrs. Fox baked any tuna fish pie today." "Hooray! Tuna fish pie!" they all shouted. And away they ran to Mrs. Fox's house, while the littlest kitten cried, "Wait for me." "Hoo-hoo, I shall be right down," called Mrs. Fox, who was busy sweeping upstairs. The 3 little kittens sniffed happily at the tuna fish pie cooling on the sill. Suddenly, crash! Those 3 little kittens had knocked down the tuna fish pie. Here comes the littlest kitten at last. And here comes Mrs. Fox to see what the crash is all about. "Why, shame on you, spoiling my tuna fish pie," cried Mrs. Fox. And she chased Wait-for-Me out the door with her broom. 3 little kittens played and frolicked and never thought of Wait-for-Me. They watched Farmer Pig rest his pail of fresh milk beside the barn door. "Next to tuna fish pie, I like milk the best," said one little kitten. And away they ran for a sip of fresh milk, while the littlest kitten called, "Wait for me." That milk was good. That milk was so good it was almost all gone when Wait-for-Me reached the pail. Oh dear, here comes Farmer Pig. Splash! Down came the pail as those 3 little kittens ran off. "Naughty kitten, I'll teach you to spill my fresh milk," howled Farmer Pig. And he chased Wait-for-Me out of the barnyard and told him not to come back. 3 little kittens watched Mrs. Dog hang her wet wash on the clothesline. Then along came a butterfly, dipping and teasing, and away went the 3 little kittens after the butterfly. "Wait for me," called the littlest kitten. Then, oh dear, those wild little, busy little kittens tipped over Mrs. Dog's basket into a mud puddle. Mrs. Dog was very upset. And Wait-for-Me was very sorry. "Wait, come back and help Mrs. Dog," called the littlest kitten. But his brothers did not hear. Now the littlest kitten longed to dash up the hill and chase the butterfly too. But is that what he did? No, he did not. The littlest kitten stayed behind and helped Mrs. Dog until the last sock was pinned to the line. "A good little kitten must have a reward," said Mrs. Dog, and she gave Wait-for-Me a big tuna fish pie to eat. Yum, yum, all by himself. The 3 little kittens came tumbling down the hill. "Wait for me, wait for me," begged the 3 little kittens. Did the littlest kitten wait for those 3 little hungry little kittens? Oh yes, he did. And ever since then, those 3 little kittens have always waited for him. The end.